Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to add Apple Music live radio widget on the iPhone home screen. With iOS 26, Apple continues to enhance the home screen customization experience, and one of the new features music lovers will really appreciate is the ability to add a live radio widget from Apple Music directly to the home screen. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first and foremost, we have to long press on an empty area of your iPhone home screen until the icons begin to jiggle. And then we have to tap on the edit button located at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to choose Add Widget option in the drop-down menu. And then you have to scroll down to find Apple Music in the widget gallery and select it. And then you have to swipe through the available widget options until you find the live radio widget and select it. And then you have to tap on the Add Widget to place it on your home screen. And then you can drag it to reposition the widget as desired. And finally, you have to hit the Done button located in the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action, and that's about it. This live radio widget is a great way to stay tuned in to live shows, trending music, and exclusive Apple Music content. So whether you are commuting, working, or relaxing, having live radio one tap away enhances your daily listening experience. With iOS 26, Apple is making widgets more useful and personal, so take advantage of it and tune into what you really love. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it to spice up your music listening experience, and I'll catch you up in the next one.